to buy official Trump token on MEXC. So this token came under the symbol of Trump. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do not research. Now before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap, so go and find it there. So after that, click on markets. As you can see, you'll be able to see the MEXC. Now click here on the pair or go to their official website. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go to description and you will be able to create an account under the referral link on the description. So if you want to, of course. So to be able to trade this token, what you need to do after you create your account, to log into your account, go and find your account with some USDT. Now search here the Trump, as you can see here. Now you'll be able to see Trump to USDT pair. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, just go here on this buy, select the limit or markets, it's the same. Now here set the amount that you want to buy. And because I don't have any fund on my MEXC, I can't see here how much I will pay. Now for you, just type here how much you want to buy and you will be able to see how much you will pay of the USDT. After that, click on buy Trump. Now if you select the market, now just drag this to set the percentage that you will pay. With USDT. You have an account, and after that click on buy Trump, and after that you will be able to buy this Trump on your Trump token on your MEXC account. So this is how to buy Trump token on MEXC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.